Hello and welcome everybody. This video is about how to make money on Fiverr without any skills. My name is 𝐒𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦𝐻𝐬 and I'm from financialfreedomacademics.com, and you will absolutely love what you see in this video because this method will allow you to make at least $150 a day if you take action on what I teach you in this video. People will love you for doing this, and you should really watch this video till the end because I have something really special for you. Let's make it happen. More about this after the intro. Welcome back. Before we go to the actual method, I just wanted to invite you to my 100% free step-by-step training where I will show you how I make these huge paydays. And I do it in my super detailed step-by-step training I created for you because I want to show you what really works and everything I learned within the past years, where I spent thousands of dollars and a lot of tears and pain and everything, but I wanted to show you how everything works. Just click the link below this video and there you will get to a link which will look like this. Enter your email and I will send it to your email and you will get straight access to this insane training I've created for you, and you will absolutely love it. I wish I had this in the beginning. Just a quick shout out, like, just do it. Don't forget to do it. And yeah, let's start with the actual method. If you have any questions along this video, just make sure to comment them below this video in the comment area and I will answer you every single question. Also, hit me a like because I did a lot of research testing for months and I try to teach it in the best way, so hit me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more tutorials like this, which you obviously don't want to miss out. Now, before we start, it all starts with you. You need to have the right mindset. I can give you the best #1 guide you ever see or you've ever seen, but it's worth nothing if you don't take action. So write down your goal, how much money you want to make with this and how fast you want to do it. So have a specific milestone with a specific amount, and then just go watch this video, watch it again and again, get into the details. I also have a advanced guide below this video if you need this, but just take this 100% serious, show some massive willpower, write down your goals, write down your milestones, and then get into this and make this happen. So what we will do is digital arbitrage, which basically means we just outsource what people hire. So imagine John from Apple. Let's say John from Apple, he will need a website and he's just searching for the right people that can create this website, and you're on a pool where he will find you and he say, okay, let's say, hey Carl, here are $10,000, or let's say $5,000 or just even $2,000. Please create me this website. You say, obviously, yeah, I really love this. And that's the only job you need to do, is to outsource this work to the guy from Fiverr, and that's everything. Everybody's happy. The guy from Apple's happy. You just got $5,000 and you paid the guy from Fiverr $200, or let's say $500. You made $4,500. You do this twice a month and you made $9,000. Obviously, it's super nice. You just need to find the right people, give them what they want and a little bit more because you want to give massive value, get their good reviews and get more and more orders, and you just outsource the work again and again and again. And think about this, all the companies in the world are doing this. Everybody's outsourcing, so there's nothing wrong with this. You might be asking me now, hey Carl, why are they not going to Fiverr straight ahead? Because they don't know about Fiverr. You have the knowledge, you know the platforms. You just get the orders from those big companies or the bigger people. You get them, you just get the order, take the tax, copy it into the Fiverr order, collect the money and deliver the work, copy the work and give it back to the company owner. That's it. Business owners, they need websites, they need logos, they need search engine optimization, they need our Facebook Ads Manager, and you can do everything for them. Just outsource the work. As I said, it's 100% lead jet. You just find you just outsource it to the right people, right? That's the only thing you do. Just take the order and outsource it, and that's everything you do. So many people are doing this, and you want to find the business owners, and I will show you exactly how to find these business owners and how to get many orders which you can outsource and get all of this money into your pocket. So let's dive into this. So let's dive a little bit deeper into this super powerful method. We basically have two platforms we need for this. Basically, it's Fiverr.com and we have Upwork.com. Upwork is a pure gold mine, but because that's a place where a lot of business owners go to get websites, SEO, Facebook Advertising Manager, search machine optimizing, and all this stuff, and they are willing to pay a lot because they have a lot of budget. And what you will do, obviously, don't create anything on your own, you just outsource the work, and that's what everybody does, as I said before. So in Upwork, you just go to Upwork.com, create an account, go through everything. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes. When you sign up, just pick your niche. So let's say we go for websites and logo design and everything that comes to a website, like maybe creating cards and everything. Something important here, Upwork is sometimes a little bit bitchy if there are too many offers in the niche you want to offer. In this, find another niche or try different freelancer pages like freelancer.com. If you want to scale your arbitrage business to the sky, it's better to use multiple freelancer sites in niches anyway, right? So that's not a hurdle, just consider this. If they say, okay, we already have too many people in this specific niche, you choose another niche or another website, okay? There are a lot of platforms. The second website, as I told you before, and you probably already know it, it's Fiverr.com. There's a link below this video to register for Fiverr.com, but Fiverr.com is an online marketing place or an online marketplace with a lot of professional and everything. Name as service, and you will find it at Fiverr. Like a lot of gigs on Fiverr cost only $5. This is the place where we will find people to do the work that the person from Upwork hired you to do, with you being the middleman here. Many people on Fiverr are professionals, maybe thousands of logos, websites, etc. Everything is sold here. Creating an account on Fiverr is super easy and even faster than on Upwork. Just go to the link below this video and it takes you not more than 3 minutes. The third website we need is 𝐒𝐮𝐦𝐬𝐬. 𝐒𝐮𝐦𝐬𝐬 is a website where you can share images with other people via a unique link. We will be using this when showing old work for persons who are thinking of hiring us. The portfolio will be a full of old work from the Fiverr workers as you work as a middleman. Creating an account does not take any time at all. Just go to 𝐒𝐮𝐦𝐬𝐬𝐬 and click on the signing up button here. So let's go to about choosing what to provide. In this field, it's all about choosing what you want to sell. All you have to do is simply choose one of the followings, like logo design, website design. There's a lot of money in website design, business card design, ebook covers. Just be a bit creative and maybe think out of the box. Find a cool niche at Fiverr, focus on this, present yourself as an expert on the freelancing platform and be a champion. Like as I said, you just find someone, you just find jobs. Let's say you want to do website design. You just go to find our, where was it again? Find our job, well, put it here into the search bar, website design, and then you will find someone. And again, do not copy anybody, just model those people. Like see their rating, see what they're doing, see how they position themselves, and then create it yourself. Like as I said, people are they really want to pay a lot of money here, and you just go to Fiverr and find a gig. Let's continue how this works. But you don't want to copy those people, just model them. And I have a guide which just costs $5. Goes really detailed into this. I will show you later how this works. The people will lose That's a big warning here. The people will lose their trust in you, and trust is one of the most important things in online marketing. So make sure to get good reviews from your customers. Maybe offer them a bonus. Just be a little bit creative. Give them a little bit more than they expect, and you will get a good rating. And this is the number one thing you should focus on. When you ask for a portfolio, just ask your Fiverr seller for your portfolio. This is super simple. Like you just bring the offer from one platform to another, and it's not as legit as the whole world is doing this. So there I go about all this in my guide. You will send proposals on Upwork. When you have got an account and a portfolio, it's time to get someone to hire you. We find people that need what we provide by searching in the search bar for what we provide. When you search, you will get a list of different people who need what you provide, like this one here. And you provide it from Fiverr, obviously. So when it starts with the price, when we're talking about a price, you should always start low, collect your reviews. With low, I mean you still get the profits, but you don't overcharge them, right? You just want to get a nice profit plus a nice review, so they say, okay, I can afford it, I'm with a budget, maybe they're just a startup owner, they will start low with the website, they give a good rating because you over-delivered. You get the order and you will go to Fiverr and search for someone like him. Let's say you charge $800 and then you order exactly what they wrote you give it to Fiverr, order it, and then you will send the work again to Upwork. It's so easy, and I go really into detail in my guide, which you'll find below this video in the description area. And always make sure when you get an order and you say you will deliver this in 7 days and you order this at Fiverr, always make sure to go at least 2 days below. So make sure you get it in 5 days so we can still discuss a little bit if something doesn't work, right? So when it comes to the proposal, now there are two strategies. When writing the proposal, there are two strategies to use. You can direct ask people via approaching them, or you can send them their info, right? You should just really act like you're a professional. A smart thing to do when writing the proposal is to write that you're a professional, you have been working for years and stood a lot for what you provide, and you're not lying because you just mirror the one from Fiverr again. And as I said, everybody's happy. You're happy, your customer's happy, and the provider's happy. Don't tell them that you're arbitraging, of course, because why should they order your order then? And next, just keep it short. Like what many people do is that they write long proposals. I've been working on Upwork a lot, and I will tell you, they do not make as much money because it doesn't convert well, because they just talk too much. Just be professional, have your price, know what you're offering, and you're good to go. And as I said, you create nothing at all, you just act like a middleman. So when you have picked a price, time, and create a proposal, you're ready to submit a proposal by just clicking the happy green button. After sending the proposal, just go back, find a new business that needs what you provide on Upwork, and do all over again. I recommend sending proposal for about 1 hour a day, constantly. Another tip, copy a good proposal and use it over and over again to save time. Writing proposal manually takes too much time. Yeah, and then you will get the sales, you get the work done by hiring on Fiverr, you just make it a little bit cheaper, then they want, give them a little bit more, and just get a good review to get more and more orders over and over again. And it's super important that you over deliver. I can't stress this enough. Maybe just give them an extra service with do logo design for them for free. Logo design is just $5 on Fiverr, so it's not a big deal. And they will love you for doing this. You get more and more reviews, and you get more and more orders, and obviously you can make more and more money and you keep contact with the business. Maybe when someone has bought to you, it's a genius thing to keep up with the contact. If you keep up contact with business that you have worked for, they may come back in the future, choose you instead of creating a new job seeking post on Upwork, right? Give them your Facebook and ask them to become friends with you on there. If someone has bought a logo from you, they may come back because they know that you can make websites too. You will become the person they come to for the business when they need stuff designed. This is called squeezing out money off your customers. So when it comes to growing, we invest into your business and grow, maybe get a professional website, create it like this one, get it ranked. As I said, you will make a lot of money with this one because Fiverr is much cheaper on that than Upwork. And these are real business owners here. They will order here and you go for like, these people they create for personal, like for freelancers, for solopreneurs. That was the right word. You just need to get into smart routines. So there are some smart ways to keep up making money using the formula, making a routine. Here are some methods that I use as a routine to make more money using Upwork. Just have a daily routine. I recommend you, like me, start using this formula as a daily routine. Choose an hour every day to send proposals. Just an hour per day can make you rich using this formula. So download the Upwork Messenger app so that you can always be quick in responding, right? Try using different Fiverr workers inside who is the best. Hopefully you will start getting hired over and over again. When you get hired by someone, it's smart to have someone in Fiverr you always hire from because he's fast and always deliver good work. So you can also use different platform and it's so easy. So basically you just model people here, don't copy them, model them, be a little bit cheaper and get good ratings and make profit, reinvest your money to make maybe a website for SEO ranking and everything. And that's it. Super powerful stuff. This video will be way too long if we go into all this into detail, but it's really worth it to take action. What I did for you is I created a detailed guide where I will show you everything and some extra hacks that you can grow this to as much money as you want, this powerful digital arbitrage business. Just go to the link below this video and you will go to find a site like this. This is me, I'll explain everything and you just get the guide for $5 here, and in this guide I will show you everything. But you can also get it for free. What I decided to do is I want to share this to as many people as possible. So make sure to comment "make money on Fiverr" in the comment area below, and if we have 50, or let's say that we have 100 comments, maybe I reduce it to 50, I will share this link in the YouTube description area. So always come back and make sure if it's there or not, and also share this video to your social media to get this for free as fast as possible. So you have two choices: get it for $5 via the link below, or comment "make money online," make money on Fiverr, and share it to as many people as possible. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to take action on this. Make sure to be 100% serious about this. If you have any question, comment it below this video. You will absolutely love this business model. If you have any question, I will help you and answer every single question. Also, I have more powerful tutorials about everything that makes you a lot of money, what I researched, what I tested, and what I'm willing to show you. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. Last but not least, make sure to get access to my free training where I will show you how I made $2,265 with my powerful business in one day, my #1 business model, by the way. I will show you everything for free, my step-by-step training. So click the button below and get access to my free training. That's it from my side. All the best, Carl.